Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine 3 columns in Excel without losing data. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see here are my sheet. Now I combine 3 columns but without losing data. Select this first 3 column and go to home menu and click merge and center drop down menu and choose merge and center. You can see I combine 3 columns. You can see I combine 3 columns in Excel without losing data. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.